Hello there, my name is Andrew Screen, and I'm going to be teaching a course, a 2-week course later this July, from July 19th to July 30th, called American Conversational English, otherwise known as ACE. As I mentioned, July 19th to July 30th, the course will be taking place from 9 o'clock until 10:30 every morning, Monday through Friday. It's a great course. Number one, because it's a great opportunity for students who are interested in improving their speaking, their listening, vocabulary, and grammar. This is the right fit for you. If you'd like to meet students from all over the world, it's a good fit for you as well. If you'd like to be in classes, small size classes that meet through Zoom, in which you receive individualized feedback on a daily basis, this is a good fit for you. It's also a great opportunity to enhance your discussion skills, your conversational skills, or overall strategies in how to communicate more effectively in English. It's a course that I really love teaching because the focus is on practicing skills, empowering students to be better communicators in English, and less of a focus on grades. It's a pass-fail course. As I mentioned, it will take place through Zoom, which allows you to take this course from the comfort of your own home. It's short, it's 2 weeks, and so it's a great way to get in, build some skills, meet people, and then leave by being your own coach in English, really, hopefully being able to correct yourself, to feel more empowered to use English. And so for that reason, I'm really looking forward to teaching this course again, coming this July. If you're interested in the course, I highly recommend that you sign up. And I look forward to seeing you hopefully later on this July. Take care.